Hello friends. Welcome to my channel Galaxy Techs. If you are looking for a good laptop and there are any laptops here, we have put the links of these laptops in the descriptions. Before starting the video, like, comment, share and don't forget to press the bell icon button. Today we will talk about the best 3 laptop for students. No. 1. HP laptops for college student and business, 17-inch laptop full HD screen computer. 11th General Intel Core i5-1135 G7. 16GB RAM, 1TB SSD. Windows 11. 2022 newest updated. Specification. Brand HP screen size 17.3 inches hard disk size 1000GB CPU model Intel Core i5 RAM memory installed size 16GB operating system Windows 11 home card description integrated graphics coprocessor Intel CPU speed 2.4 GHz hard disk description SSD. No. 2. Asus VivoBook 15 thin and light laptop. 15.6 Full HD display. Intel i3-1005 G1 CPU. 8GB RAM, 128GB SSD. Windows 10 Home in S mode. Specification. Brand Asus Series VivoBook 15 screen size 15.6 inches color slate gray hard disk size 128GB CPU model Core i3-1005 G1 RAM memory installed size 8GB operating system Windows 10 home card description integrated 2020 version graphics coprocessor Intel UHD graphics. No. 3. Acer Aspire 5 laptop for student. 15.6 inches full HD display. 11th General Intel Core i3-1115 G4 processor. 4GB DDR4 128GB NVMe SSD. Windows 11 Home, S mode. Specification. Brand Acer Series Aspire 5 screen size 15.6 inches color silver hard disk size 128GB CPU model Core i3 RAM memory installed size 4GB operating system Windows 11 Home, S mode, special feature multi-touch gesture card description integrated. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, then like, comment and share, do it, and take care and goodbye friends.